What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Ethereum, currently sitting at 1,333. Maybe that's lucky here. Up 2.8 on the day, sitting market cap of 161 billion. 24-hour volume, 10.42 billion. YouTube Big Kit. You can sign up and earn up to $8,000 in deposit bonuses. If you make your first deposit, you email me your sign-up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. No VPN required for my US traders. So let's hop into Ethereum. We're here on the 4-hour time frame. So we threw back up into the pattern. We dropped back down below it, and we've thrown up once again. Now just watch for a potential double top. Let's check our indicators. Yeah, they're looking okay. But we have made a double top formation. So if you do fall back under that pattern, lose that support once again, that's when you could continue to break down here. But if we hold the support of the pattern, we bounce, could see a push back up to that top resistance here at about 1437, which also lines up with the resistance of our head and shoulders. Now, if we look at our wave count here, here's the bearish count that we're coming down in a wave 3. So we had a wave 1 down. This is a wave 2. And now you're looking to come all the way down here in a wave 3. Let me move this out of the way. I'm going to drop out my indicators. And so we're looking for a wave 2 pullback. We completed a 5-wave move, and now you're looking to come up in a wave 2 pullback, and potentially we could be putting in a pulse of wave, potentially a wave A, where you've come up in a wave 1. We've bounced off a wave 2 pullback zone, and now you're starting to push up in a wave 3 with your target all the way up here at about 1545. Put in a wave 4, wave 5, potential ABC correction or a WXY. Now there is a bullish wave count here that I will show you guys, but what we're looking at here with the bearish count is that this was a wave 4 correction. You're still looking to come down in a wave 5 to take you down to about 550 to about 655. Now let me move this over. The bullish wave count is at the bottom is in here, as we've been mentioning, and that you went through an irregular ABC correction, and now we've completed the wave 2 down. We had 5 waves move down in a wave C, completing the wave 2, and now you're going to start to push up in a wave 3. So potentially a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, looking to push up in a wave 3 to take you up to about 1600. Or the high 1500s, like 1590 to about 1600, which is the 1.618 extension. And if we zoom out on this wave count, you'd be looking to put in a wave 1 of the wave 3, which would take you all the way up to about 3K. With a trend base of extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top to the bottom of wave 2. This is the really bullish wave count. I would be quite surprised to see this play out. Of course, anything can happen, but it would suggest that the bottom is in for Ethereum, that the wave 2 is complete here, and now you're going to push up in a wave 3, signifying that the bear market is over for ETH, and now you're going to see a 5-wave impulsive move to the upside, and once again be going back into a bull market. I was just looking at the DXY. We have started to break down from this double top, and Bitcoin has not seen much movement, which could potentially be a sign of weakness, but we'll have to see how that plays out here. So in the short term for Ethereum, if we can hold above this trend line here, that's when you could potentially push all the way back up to the top of the channel here. But just be aware of a potential bearish wave count that we come down in a 1. We're looking for a wave 2 pullback, and then begin to push down in a 3, 4, 5. To complete the wave 3, see a wave 4 pullback and a final wave 5. To complete the larger wave count, if I zoom out here, this is the bearish wave count from the all-time high, wave 1, wave 2, completion of a wave 3. As you can see, the wave 2 was rather flat and not as sharp, which does indicate that the wave 4 will be a sharper correction, which is what we've seen here, and then coming down in a wave 5. This is still my expectation, but if Ethereum does start to push up and break these highs, we'll have to put more focus into the bullish count that we're going to push up in a wave 3 up to about 3K for ETH. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. You can gain completely free access if you sign up to BitGet. Make your first deposit, email me or sign up email, and you'll get free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits, as well as my analysis, which I post regularly for $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.